The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno continues to be one of the most stylish and practical hatchbacks in India, capturing the attention of young buyers, families, and everyday commuters alike. With its balanced combination of eye-catching design, efficient performance, smart features, and exceptional value for money, the Baleno has been a favorite in the Indian automotive landscape for years, and the 2025 model elevates everything people love about it. Maruti Suzuki has refined the Baleno's aesthetics, improved comfort and tech features, and ensured that this popular hatchback remains competitive even as new players enter the segment. For anyone looking for a modern, reliable, and stylish car in India, the 2025 Baleno presents a compelling package that resonates with diverse needs and preferences. From the moment you see the 2025 Baleno on the road, its design stands out. The car features a sleek and aerodynamic silhouette that's both elegant and sporty, combining sweeping lines with well-thought proportions that appeal to both youth and mature buyers. The front fascia showcases a bold grille flanked by sharp headlights, giving the Baleno a confident and contemporary look. LED lighting elements add a premium touch, while the stylish alloy wheels enhance the overall visual appeal. Unlike many hatchbacks that focus solely on practicality, the Baleno successfully bridges the gap between aesthetics and function, making it a car that not only performs well but also draws approving looks on Indian roads. Its design is modern without being flashy, trendy yet timeless, a combination that has helped it maintain strong sales and desirability across different buyer segments. Step inside the cabin of the 2025 Baleno and you're greeted with a roomy and comfortable interior. The cabin layout feels intuitive, with controls and interfaces that are easy to reach and use, enhancing the driving experience. One of the standout aspects of the Baleno is its spaciousness. Despite being a hatchback, it offers generous legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. This makes longer journeys more enjoyable, especially for families or groups of friends who appreciate comfort during weekend trips or daily commutes. The seats are well contoured and supportive, designed to reduce fatigue even on longer drives. Materials used throughout the interior are of good quality, and while the Baleno may not feel as plush as high-end premium cars, it offers a sense of solidity and thoughtful design that far exceeds many competitors in its price bracket. Technology and connectivity features in the 2025 Baleno reflect modern expectations. The infotainment system features a responsive touchscreen that supports seamless smartphone integration through Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Whether you're navigating through traffic, listening to your favorite music, or staying connected on the go, these connectivity options ensure that your digital life stays in sync with your driving experience. A digital instrument cluster adds to the contemporary feel, presenting important driving information clearly and intuitively. Additional convenience features like automatic climate control, steering-mounted controls, and ample storage spaces make the Baleno a practical everyday companion that simplifies life rather than complicates it. Under the hood, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno offers an efficient and refined engine that caters well to Indian road conditions. The petrol engine is tuned to deliver a good balance of performance and fuel economy, which is a critical factor for many buyers in India where mileage and running costs are important considerations. Smooth acceleration and responsive throttle control make city driving feel effortless, while the engine's flexibility ensures comfortable cruising on highways too. Maruti Suzuki's expertise in fuel-efficient powertrains is well evident here, with claimed mileage figures that often appeal to budget-minded buyers who want to make every drop of fuel count. Combined with a smooth gearbox available in manual and automatic options depending on the variant, the Baleno's engine setup makes it easy to live with in daily use, whether for office commutes, school runs, or long weekend travels. The ride quality and handling dynamics of the 2025 Baleno have also been tuned for comfort and confidence. The suspension system absorbs bumps and rough patches effectively, providing a composed ride even on the uneven surfaces often found on Indian roads. Steering feedback is light and predictable at city speeds, making traffic navigation and parking easier, while still offering enough stability at higher speeds to inspire confidence on expressways. Overall, the Baleno offers a driving experience that is both comfortable and engaging, striking a balance that many buyers appreciate, especially those who want a car that feels good to drive without requiring constant adjustments or effort. One of the standout aspects of the Baleno in India has always been its value proposition. Maruti Suzuki has positioned the Baleno to offer more features and comfort than many competitors in a similar price range, making it an attractive option for buyers who want a stylish and practical car without overextending their budget. With a range of variants available, buyers can choose the level of equipment and comfort that best suits their needs, be it a well-equipped mid-range model with modern tech features or a top-end variant with premium amenities. This flexibility in pricing and features helps the Baleno cater to a broad audience, from young professionals seeking a stylish first car to families looking for dependable daily transportation. Safety has become an increasingly important factor for Indian car buyers, and the 2025 Baleno addresses this with a solid set of safety features. Depending on the variant, the Baleno includes essentials like multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic brake force distribution, rear parking sensors, and seatbelt reminders, all of which contribute to a safer driving experience. While the Baleno may not compete with SUVs or larger vehicles in terms of size, its safety engineering and structural integrity aim to offer protection that is reassuring in everyday use. The emphasis on safety reflects a growing awareness among Indian buyers who now consider safety features a priority alongside design, performance, and efficiency. Ownership experience is another area where the Baleno shines bright. Maruti Suzuki's widespread service network across India makes servicing and maintenance convenient even in smaller towns and cities, providing peace of mind for owners who might travel frequently or live outside major urban centers. Spare parts availability and service reliability further add to the confidence of ownership, ensuring that the Baleno remains economical to maintain over the long term. This practical dimension of ownership is often highlighted by users who value a car that doesn't just look good and perform well but also stays affordable to run and service over years of use. Resale value is another factor where the Baleno typically scores well, thanks to its strong brand reputation and continued demand in the used car market. Many owners find that when it comes time to upgrade or sell, the Baleno retains value better than many other hatchbacks, making it a smarter financial choice in the long run. This combination of strong resale value, reliable maintenance support, and overall practicality makes the Baleno not just a stylish choice, but a sensible one. 2. Beyond just the technicalities and numbers, the Baleno's popularity in 2025 is also rooted in the emotional connection it has built with Indian buyers. It's a car that doesn't try too hard to impress, instead, it delivers exactly what people expect: dependable performance, confident design, good fuel efficiency, comfortable interiors, and smart features. For many drivers, the Baleno represents a sense of pride and satisfaction. It's a car that fits well into everyday life, enhances daily experiences, and brings a sense of joy even to ordinary commutes. In a segment crowded with hatchbacks striving to be noticed, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno continues to stand out, not by exaggerating its capabilities but by refining what already works so well. Its blend of stylish design, efficient performance, comfortable interiors, modern connectivity, and standout value for money makes it relevant and desirable in today's Indian automotive market. Whether you are a new driver exploring your first car or someone looking to upgrade to a more refined, modern hatchback, the Baleno makes a powerful case for itself. Ultimately, the Baleno isn't just another hatchback, it's a smart choice that combines style and substance in a way that resonates with buyers from diverse backgrounds. It's a car that looks desirable, feels comfortable, performs reliably, and remains economical to own and maintain. For those reasons and more, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno continues to be one of India's most stylish and practical hatchback options, a vehicle that meets the needs of today's drivers while remaining prepared for the journeys of tomorrow. If you want, I can convert this into a YouTube description with SEO tags and hashtags, or make a viral title and thumbnail text for your upload. Rocket Video Cam.